Hey guys, I'm Drew Mead from MarineMax on Lake Lanier at Bald Ridge Marina. I'm standing on board a brand new 2025 Sylvan MIRAGE 822. As we walk through the boat, I'm going to point out some of my favorite features. I'd like to invite you guys to come down and check out the boat in person, and I'll start up here in the bow. Up here in the front, we've got two bench style seats on both port and starboard. Underneath is roto-molded plastic lined seats, so all of your stuff will stay nice and dry. The boat is equipped with a full canvas cover. That's what's stored in that seat there. Plenty of room for your anchor line, fenders, dock lines. That's the roto-molded plastic I was talking about. Both sides, storage is the same. Nice detachable table here with a flush mounted table base. Moving aft to the helm console, you have a storage door here with plenty of storage underneath the helm. The boat is equipped with a wet sounds head unit. 4 speaker setup. You have a speaker here by the helm, 2 up in the front opposing each other with another just over the passenger's shoulder here aft. The boat does have a Humminbird Helix 5. That's a chart plotter and a fish finder. So you have sonar, speed, GPS speed. The boat is rated for 10 passengers with Yamaha 150 horse outboard engine. You have your Yamaha controls, trim tilt right there on the shifter handle. 2 captain's chairs. Moving aft, we do have the adjustable sunbed. So in this configuration, you've got room to seat 4 adults on the bench facing forward. This backrest does hinge over center and give you a very large sunbed facing aft. Now, a really nice feature about Sylvan is the fenced-in aft deck. So not only does that give you nice support when you're back here, but it makes it legal to ride in this aft configuration. So if you don't have the fence up here, DNR could stop you because it's not safe to not have this aft part fenced in. So with that fencing, you get the safety and the ability to ride facing aft here in your lounge bed. You'll notice right behind the stern fencing is a water sports tow bar package. So you can tow your wakeboards, water skis from there. The boat does have an extended stern deck, so plenty of room back here on the back with a telescoping ladder. If you guys would like to come see the boat in person, come see us at Bald Ridge Marina on Lake Lanier, and we'll look forward to seeing you then. Thank you.